Hello guys, Mike here with 210 Scrapping, and today I wanted to make a quick short video and show you what I got out of 25 televisions. These are all CRT televisions. There's 25 yokes there. We have some number 2 insulated copper wire on the left, and then there's some a little bit of number 1 insulated copper wire on the right. All that black wiring. There's about 26 or 27 motherboards in there. Some of them had double motherboards in the televisions. I'm going to weigh the number 1 insulated copper wire and the number 2 insulated copper wire to give y'all kind of an idea of how much wiring you would get out of scrapping 25 or so CRT televisions. Alright, I'm set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I put a cardboard box on top of the scale, and we're going to start off with the number 1 insulated wire first. So let me just grab some of this off the ground. I think that's one more piece. There we go. Yeah, so in total we got 8 pounds, 3.6 ounces of number 1 insulated copper wiring. So now we're going to do the number 2 insulated wire. So for the number 2 insulated copper wire, we got about 15 pounds and 1.1 ounce. So that's all the number 2 wiring for the 25 televisions. I left all the connections on there, and the scrap yards will just buy it. So just leave it on there for extra weight, so you can get a little bit more extra cash. Alright, so that's it for the wiring there. Alright guys, since I'm gonna be taking apart all these yokes, I thought I would just show you how I scrap mine. There's videos out there where people just put them all in a towel and start bashing them with a hammer or some kind of metal object. I like to take my time, not make, you know, a big mess or anything. So first get rid of all that. It's clamps. So here you're gonna have some clamps that hold down this ferrous material. So you just want to get in there and get that clamp off. There's one. Here's another one. And then just get a bigger screwdriver and you can pop off this outside layer. Here's one side and the other side. This comes off just like that. And then to get this inner part in, this inner copper out, there's going to be some little clamps here. I just cut those off with pliers. Those are too big. Just like that, and just cut it right apart. There you go. There's the outside and the inside part. And then this part, you will need a hammer for this, unless you cut all the way around. I'll just demonstrate. demonstrate that real quick. You could just cut all the way around if you don't want to make a mess and have all kinds of this ferrous material all over your garage or wherever you're scrapping at. You can just cut this outside part like that, and you just twist it over, and there you go. Just your copper. This is going to be on number 2 copper, since it does have a coating and glue and it's kind of dirty, so they're not going to give you number 1 for this just by the color itself. So you just cut all the way across, turn it over, there you go, and you just have these 2 nice pieces of ferrous material instead of little pieces everywhere. Just throw in your bucket and you're done. So I'm gonna scrap the other yolks that I have, and I'll be back to show you how much copper comes off of 25 TVs, or 25 TV yolks, I should say. Alright guys, so I finished taking off the copper off the yolk and the ferrous material that's around the yolk as well. I took all that apart. So let's see how much we got out of 25 televisions. We got 13 pounds and 3.6 ounces out of that. I also found some of these stainless steel, I guess they're like brackets to hold the yolk in around the bulb. So let's see. It's about 2.2 ounces. There's really not much there, so I'll just throw this with my other stainless steel. And last but not least, I don't know, okay, let's see. We have this whole bin here full of motherboards from the TVs. These are all going to be low-grade motherboards, so I'm just going to go ahead and take off any copper-bearing material that's on these and throw them away, since my scrapyard only gives 4 cents per pound. It would take a lot of motherboards to even make it well worth my time. So I'll just be taking off these little copper transformers and the flyback transformer here, and probably some of these to see what's in there, and some IC chips on other ones. I'll scrap a few flat screen TVs, so there's going to be some mid-grade boards in those. One of the flat screens had a video card in it. So yeah, that's basically it guys for televisions. Please remember to leave a like. Also don't be shy to leave a comment, and also don't forget to leave a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching guys.